I wanted to make a video of me just trying to fix this wall. And sorry for this thing, the lights. I'm just gonna try to put some photos up on the wall. Instax photos. I also have other photos and postcards. I also have film photos here, which I don't know, honestly, I'm not sure if I want to put it on the wall, but I'm gonna try to pick some. I can be a pretty girl, I'll wear a skirt for you. I can be a pretty girl, shut up when you want me to.
I will be okay.
Yeah, I'm gonna try
to. You will never mind, though I thought we were fine. I guess I was just the first one in line. So you moved on to break some other girl's heart, and the pain you left me sinking in is now just faded scars. I'm okay, yes, I'm okay. It took some time to heal, it took some time to feel again, but I made it through and I realized that I don't need you. But do you have any scars? Have you broken enough hearts? But it's okay, I will be okay.
I'm not proud of where I've ended up. I'm ashamed of certain things I've done. But out of all the scratches, there's a cut that bleeds the worst. Every time I count my blessings, I count you.
I'm gonna fry my hair. No, I'm gonna bleach my hair. And then 3 days after this, I'm gonna dye my hair. I'm really scared. It's January 9. I don't have school yet. I'll have school in 12 days. That's soon. But for now, I'm gonna bleach my hair. And I'm gonna probably look orange or whatever. So I'm really nervous, but we're gonna do it.
Every time I count my blessings, I count you first. Every time I count my blessings, I count you first. I'm afraid I might have given up. I'm afraid I'm running low on love. I'm afraid that in the end.
Hi guys, so I mean, the hair's not orange, kind of. It kind of looks gold in the camera, but yeah, it is gold. But we're gonna color tomorrow already because the one who's doing my hair, she's not gonna be here in she's not gonna be there on the 12th, which is supposed to be the day when I color my hair. Hi guys, it's the next day. I'm with my mom again. We're on our way to the salon and I'm gonna call it.
Every time I count my blessings, I count you first. Every time I count my blessings, I count you first. Every time I count my...
Hi guys, we're going home. I really like it though. I look like a raspberry. I'm gonna try to learn how to make pancakes from scratch. You'll be needing flour, sugar, baking powder, baking soda, salt, milk, and I think that's it. I'm gonna be following a recipe online, which I probably will link down below. Because I don't really know how to make pancakes from scratch. I always have a mixing. Oh, and you also need an egg. Sorry, I feel like I don't have much energy because I really don't. I'm really tired. I don't know why. I shouldn't be tired. I'm not holding it. And we're gonna transfer it there. We're all done after this. Then you just have to mix them all together, I think. Okay, so now I just put more or less 2 cups of flour here in this bowl. I'm gonna get 1/4 cup of sugar, but I'm gonna mix this in with a liquid ingredient so that it dissolves. I got it wrong, so I need 4 teaspoons of baking powder. Is this 1/4 of a teaspoon? If I have to do salt. You'll just mix the dry ingredients together first. Look, I melted butter and I mixed it with the wet ingredient. I'm gonna put it there. And hope for the best.
Would you be my little light? Just for atmosphere, I don't need it to see, but I know that you can promise me your whole heart if you're honest, dear. But 51% would be just fine. Every time I count my blessings, I count you first. Every time I count my blessings, I count you first. Every time I count my blessings,
Okay, so I know it doesn't look the best because you know, from the camera's perspective, but in real life it looks okay. I'm gonna cook this in the kitchen. But yeah, these are the pancakes. This is a funny angle for the pancakes. Like, it's a bad angle for them. Charot. I haven't tasted them, but I feel like they're gonna be okay. So I'm gonna taste one now. Tastes exactly like a pancake. Honestly, it's so much of a hassle just buy a pancake mix and use that. I made my lola taste it and she just said it's good, so I guess it's better than the pancake mix, but I really don't know. I can't tell.